Here is how you can change your ringtone to anything you want on the iPad. Let me guide you through it quickly, so let's get into it. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So this depends heavily on the iPad OS version. I know that it's a common advice to update the latest iPad OS and latest iOS, but if you don't have the iPad OS 26, things are going to be really different, right? So at least get the iPad OS 26, even though you probably don't need the latest one, right? Even though it's probably a good idea, but you get my point. iPad OS 26 brought some changes to the way we select the ringtones. So in this case, what we have the ability to do is to, let's say we look up our files app, and if we have any MP3 or audio files stored in here, this is actually very interesting because we have the ability to hold down on it like that, click on share, and this is going to give us a couple of options, the regular sharing options. So you can share it over AirDrop or messages or something, but we also have the ability to use it as a ringtone. So this is a button which has been implemented into various different places. So you can see I have some MP3 files in the Files app, some audios, and I can literally pick that to be the ringtone. In the past, it used to be more complicated where we had to go through the computer or iTunes or something, and now it's just much easier, right? So you can select it like that, even though you should know that it only works for sounds which are 30 seconds or less. So if you have like a longer audio file, it's not going to work, but this is very simple. You can select it like that. And then when you head over to the settings and sounds section on your iPad, you will have the ability to tap on ringtone, and the one you just added is going to be one of them in here in this list. So it gets the job done, works well. So let me know if you manage to find it on your iPad as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the future uploads.